What's happening, gang? Welcome back to another episode of Agile DIY. This is Aaron, the Agile DIY guy. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about car registration. In my state, that's what they look like. And I'm going to show you how to put it on your vehicle the right way, because I see a lot of people that don't read the directions or don't really know what they're doing. The car ends up looking like a bumper stickers all over it of all the states that they've actually been to. If you know what I'm talking about, you can see that like right here. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to put this on the right way. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get some glass cleaner. You're going to want to clean this up a little bit so that you get a good adhesion. Now, it always goes in the upper right hand corner unless you're a motorcycle here in our state of Michigan. As you can see, I've got a few on there. I go about 5 years before I'll take a razor blade and scrape it off. Probably should do it now, but I'm gonna give it one more year. Very simple. Peel this off, make sure it doesn't touch anything else, so it won't stick very well. See there. Upper right corner. That's all there is to it. Then you've got your registrations here. I usually keep one in my wallet. All right, guys, easy peasy, nothing to it. Clean the area, get the sticker off, pump it in there, put the registrations in your wallet. Just wanted to pass that along or make sure to remind people how to do it correctly, at least in our state of Michigan. Guys, if you like this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and as always, be mindful, strive for efficiency, and we'll catch you on the flippity. Take care. Oh, and one more quick tip, guys. During the winter, at least if you're in a cold climate, don't let your gas tank go down to almost empty before you fill up. I got it pretty low, and I'm afraid it's going to freeze, so after I put the registrations on my plates, I gotta go to the gas station. So make sure your tanks are at least a quarter full during the winter. You don't want it to freeze, and then you got a big problem on your hands. See ya.